top three things in my notebook this morning. Number one, the Canadian dollar. Number two, the price of oil, which Canada has a lot of. And then finally, Germany. So first on Canada, looking at the currency, we're finally seeing a breakout in, well, this isn't just breakout in saying breakout with the out part of the Canadian accent. It's also using a breakout versus almost anything versus the U.S. dollar. Don't forget that the U.S. dollar looks like hell. So Canadian dollars look good. The breakout line is 108 versus the Canadian dollar there. And Canadian equities, if you're looking for another way to be long inflation accelerating, of course, you'd buy commodity inflation via the Canadian stock market, which is up, 13% for the year to date, absolutely trouncing the Dow in soccer terms. Oil looks fantastic. Again, oil up another 0.5% this morning to almost 106 on WTI. No resistance to just inside of 107. And then throughout the summer, we still think that WTI is going to hit that 110 level. So again, that is a consumer tax in the face of Wall Street still telling you that U.S. consumption growth, while it was nowhere to be found in the first quarter, is going to be fine. Now, again, you can do what Wall Street tells you to do, but we would suspect that that's probably not going to get you paid. Again, watch out for oil prices because a lot of natural human beings care about it. Germany is starting to signal some loss of momentum, so looking at the second derivative of the move here, both in terms of the economic momentum in the data. So if you look at the German PMI number this morning, 52.0 versus 52.4, again, just a little bit less good. And again, going from great to good is not good in our model because, again, we're looking at the second derivative. And again, if you look at the read-through on that on the DAX, which is why I'm calling it out, the immediate term trade line is now 99.02 on the DAX, so we're trading below that, or the DAX is, which is an immediate term headwind in terms of the momentum built into the DAX, which has had a pretty good year for the year to date. So those are your top three things.